In this video, we are going to download and install Minitab 22.5.1 from the official Minitab website. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Minitab software free download. Once you see the search results, click on Product Downloads from the official Minitab website. Once the website opens, click on the Start Free Trial button in the upper menu. A new page will open. Here, fill in all the required fields, such as your first name, last name, email address, company name, industry, and country. After filling in the required information, click on Start Free Trial. Once you click the button, an email will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox and open the email from Minitab. From there, you can continue with the download and account activation process. Click the link provided in the email. You will be redirected to another page where you need to create a password. Enter your password and click on Activate Your Account. Now your Minitab account has been successfully created and activated. On the next page, carefully review the Minitab terms and conditions, then click Accept. After accepting the terms and conditions, you will be able to choose between the desktop version and the web version. In this tutorial, we will select the desktop version. Once you select the desktop version, the download should start automatically. The installation file is approximately 306 megabytes, so wait until the download is completely finished. Once the download is complete, open the installer and begin the installation process. Follow the steps shown in this video to complete the installation. Once the installation starts, wait for it to finish. After Minitab has been successfully installed, open the application. When you open Minitab for the first time, you will need to sign in to your account. Click on Sign In. You will be redirected to the Sign In page. Enter the email address and password associated with your Minitab account, then sign in. Once you have successfully signed in, you will have access to the 14-day trial. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.